overhead pass is different than overhead receive? Stay tuned. I'll tell you the golden tip at the end of the video. Second point, use medium or high guard. Third point, use side step and forward step to get under the ball. The ball should be in the center of your body. You must not receive the ball from your side or behind your back. Fourth point, use all muscles to receive. The fifth point and the most important point, keep your fingers tight and hit the ball a little, because if you do normal overhead receive, the ball will run away from your hand. Exercise for overhead receive.